Presets in Orderhive are a way to make sellers' life easier. They are basically predefined parameters used while generating shipping labels, so that you don't have to enter the same details every time you ship orders. This tutorial will explain how to add and use presets. Let's start adding presets. Go to Shipments and click on Presets. Click on Add Presets. Fill in the necessary details on the preset form, such as preset name, carrier, weight, service, packaging, etc. Once completed, click on Done. These details will now always remain the same whenever you select this preset. Likewise, you can create multiple presets with different combinations of given parameters. You can even add it or delete a preset. Let's move on how to use preset in an order. First, go to Orders. In the To Ship column, select multiple orders of your choice. Click on Ship and then Next to proceed. You will see preset option on the next page. Click on Presets and select the appropriate option. Once the preset is selected, it will automatically feed in the parameters of the preset to that order. This way you can avoid filling in details manually. So there you go. Presets in Orderhive make it easy for you to quickly process shipments. If you have any further queries, please click on chat icon below to speak to a product expert. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.